What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be giving an update on ICP. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
So first things first, I want to congratulate any of you guys that took this previous ICP trade. We had it drawn in two different falling wedges. We had the much larger version that broke out almost perfectly to the measured move. And had you guys taken this trade, you could have made about 44% in 3 weeks. And then we had the much smaller one where you could have made about 20% in a week and a half. And I like to be able to back up what I say. This is one of my previous ICP videos. As you can see, it's in a falling wedge and it's trading at $2.92. But now I understand 44% might not sound like a lot, but if you compare that to the average return on the stock market, which is 10% in a year, that would mean we made in about 3 weeks what the stock market makes in just over 4 years, which are actually incredible gains. And if you enjoy making gains in the crypto market, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. But anyways, I'll go deeper into the charts at the end of the video. Anyways, ICP is currently trading at a price point of $3.85. Its market cap is up to 1.7 billion, which ranks 30th among all cryptocurrencies. And if you're looking to trade ICP, I recommend using Binance, Coinbase, or KuCoin. I think those are the 3 easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now I feel partially responsible to talk about ICP's all-time high in every single video, just for the new people watching and for those of you guys that don't understand dilution. So as it says on CoinMarketCap, ICP is currently down 99% from its all-time high that it reached during the 2021 bull market of $750. But what you have to understand is when it reached these levels, there was significantly less ICP tokens in circulation. Just to show you guys what I mean, if you come over to market cap of and you compare the current market cap of ICP to the all-time high market cap of ICP, which was 18.5 billion, if it got back to those levels, it'd be trading at a price point of $41, and that'd be a 10x, which are still very nice gains, but that's obviously nowhere near $750. And even if you compare the current market cap of ICP to the current market cap of Ethereum, which is 215 billion, if ICP got to those levels, it'd be trading at a price point of $481, and that'd be 124x. Yet again, these are phenomenal gains, but it still doesn't get back to $750. Now, my point of showing you this is not to discourage you from investing in ICP, but rather to inform you guys that you should not be hoping for ICP to get back to its price all-time high, as that is extremely unlikely. But now we'll hop into some ICP news. So this is their Twitter page, and they just posted 1 hour ago. The Internet Computer has been invited to Hong Kong FinTech Week in 2023. So this is really cool to see because it's another chance for ICP to get their technology and their name out there. And they just posted 5 hours ago. Dominique discusses the exciting partnership between Roland Berger and Internet Computer for voluntary recycling credits on blockchain in an interview with eCrypto News. So we have another bear market partnership, which is good. So now let's explore the 5 big things that transpired last week. So the upcoming ICP and Ethereum integration is a key milestone for the vision of the world computer. And I will say this is huge that they are integrating with Ethereum. The next thing is that Diego Prats was at the Ethereum Mexico conference, offering insights into how ICP could enhance the UX of Ethereum dApps. And then next we have Synergy Labs with GM Learning Club, hosted a series of 4 in-person workshops and 2 virtual sessions at Sripatum University in Thailand, culminating in an inspiring ideathon. Then we introduced the ICP Developer Journey, an inclusive tutorial series on the Dev Docs, guiding developers from fundamentals to advanced projects, leveraging the complete spectrum of the Internet Computer's capabilities. And then last but not least, backed by the ByteOut, the inaugural ICP Wuhan event marked a significant milestone, exploring the convergence of Web3 and AI. The event attracted 150 on-site attendees and garnered 4,830 online viewers during its live transmission on Huobi. So overall, pretty bullish news this week. But now we'll get into some news that's not directly correlated to ICP, but still very important. So this is Watcher Guru's Twitter, or X account. Now, I actually hadn't seen this yet. They just posted 9 minutes ago, Joe Rogan to release a new podcast episode with Elon Musk today. And this is really exciting because Joe Rogan has one of the most popular podcasts in the world. And they actually just posted October 27th that Elon Musk plans to turn X into a full-on finance platform within a year and says that you won't need a bank account anymore. So if we get more information on this, that could be huge. As many of you guys know, Elon Musk has huge influence in crypto, if not the biggest influence. And he has went on record a couple different times saying that he would like to integrate crypto within X or Twitter. So if that ends up happening, that could revolutionize crypto. And there's a good chance that we get more information on Joe Rogan's podcast. So definitely keep your eyes on this news. And the next thing I want to talk about is what they posted 12 hours ago. 15 years ago today, Satoshi Nakamoto published the Bitcoin white paper. That is incredible. Who could have ever imagined that someday Bitcoin would be attempting to take over the monetary system? I doubt that even Satoshi Nakamoto thought that that would be possible. Just look at how far we have come and imagine how far we can go in the future. And then last but not least, I want to talk about what they posted October 30th. The UK is to regulate crypto in 2024. Now, I have seen a lot of very mixed opinions on this. Some people are extremely excited as they think it will help with overall global adoption, whereas other people are very disappointed because they love the whole idea of decentralization and they don't want to see regulation in crypto. Now, personally, I can see both sides, but purely from an investment standpoint, I do not think regulation is a bad thing. You have to understand there are a lot of major institutions right now that do not want to invest in crypto simply because they do not believe in it. They constantly are seeing rug pulls and scams and exchanges collapsing. Why on earth would they want to invest in something like that? However, if we get proper regulation, that could potentially be a very bullish thing for crypto, as long as it's not over the top. But let me know down in the comment section, do you guys think this is bullish for crypto or bearish? I'm very curious. Now, for the final part of this video, we'll get into some technical analysis. So this is ICP on the daily time frame. And as I said at the beginning of the video, congratulations to any of you guys that took this trade. You could have made about 44% gains. But as for what I'm seeing right now, the RSI and stochastics are extremely overbought. In addition, price action got rejected off of this high volume node in the VRVP, and it also got rejected off of the 200-day moving average, coupled with the fact that the previous two candles have been tweezer tops, which typically means that the buyers are no longer in control. And on top of all of that, if you look at price action, it swings from a higher high to a lower high. The RSI is lower high to higher high. That is class A bearish divergence, which typically signals a local top has been reached. So there are a lot of very bearish indicators right now on ICP's daily time frame that would suggest that we are about to get a little bit of a pullback. Now, you could argue that that has already started to happen, but typically it happens a little bit more. So I might be looking for ICP to start to flag out. And in doing so, the RSI and stochastic would start to reset. But I will also say there is a bullish indicator. If you look at the moving averages, the 21-day has broken above the 50-day moving average. That is a golden cross, which typically signals an explosive move is coming. So a potential scenario is that as price action starts to flag out, the 21-day moving average would creep up and price action could get a bounce off of the 21-day moving average as support, and we could get a nice move up. But regardless of whether or not ICP drops in the short term, this move is extremely bullish from a long-term perspective, and it could be the start of an uptrend. Now, lastly, we'll go over Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. So similar to ICP, the RSI and stochastics are extremely overbought, which makes perfect sense after a parabolic move. Now, currently, price action is trading way away from all of the moving averages and the high volume node in the VRVP. And typically, these indicators work as magnets. So similar to ICP, I'd be looking for Bitcoin to start to retrace and flag out. And in the meantime, the RSI and stochastics would start to reset, and that would also align with the 21-day moving average breaking above the 200-day, which creates a golden cross on Bitcoin. So as the 21-day moving average comes up, price action could get a bounce off of it. So I'm not going to go super in depth into Bitcoin. It's very similar to ICP. Both of them went absolutely parabolic. And now I would look for things in the short term to cool down a little bit and for us to get a little bit of a retracement. But from a long-term perspective, these are extremely bullish moves. But as I say in every single one of my videos, it's crucial that you understand macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So if all of a sudden the Blackrock Bitcoin spot ETF were to get approved, that could skyrocket Bitcoin, ICP, the entire crypto market. On the contrary, if it gets rejected or some extremely bearish news comes out, that could tank the entire crypto market. So just understand crypto is going to be extremely volatile in the short term. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think ICP will go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.